Hey, what's up? Hello. Watch me build my business independently, part 4. This really a part 2 or part 3, but part 4 sound better. But never mind that, twin. It's time to lock in. We in the middle of solving a catastrophe right now. I had to move everything from one side of my room to the other side. Well, damn, Belle. Why you have to do all that? Oh, remember them plugs that was giving me problems earlier? Yeah, they blew out on me. Not only that, it blew my TV out too, dog. So now I'm out of a TV. Me and this man finna be sitting in silence listening to each other wheezing. You see, I still tried to make a little TV stand. But to hell with that TV. I told y'all it's crunch time and my client should be walking in here any second now. I still got to put this steamer together, but luckily it did not take as long. But now my client has said that he's arrived. He didn't know how to get to the room, so I politely took my 2 fingers and dragged him by those bifocals and walked him back. And now we can finally get into the real Luxe2NV experience. Baby, by the time I put that mask on, he was knocked. Watch his chest. After I robbed him for some content and finished looking at my reflection through his forehead, I let him know he had to go home, but he had to get up out of here. Yeah,